Good morning, hi everyone, it's Nick here from Let's Run Social. I want to talk to you about what you can learn from the big boys. So you might be, if you've watched any of my videos, you'll be thinking, okay, Nick's going on about e-commerce, he's talking about this COVID-19 pandemic that we're in and everyone should do advertising, whatever. And that's right, I am going on about it because I need to get through to you guys that this is the time that you need to advance and push your brand out there. And the reason that I've made this video is because yesterday I came off a call with an agency that we are now doing work with, and I'm sure the results will be brilliant, and we're going to continue into the far future working with this particular agency. They hold the brands to some really big brands. Now we're going to start working on a couple of the brands that they work with, and then that portfolio is going to be open to us. Now the reason I'm telling you this is because these brands are automotive brands and they're in the racing industry, and as you know, the racing industry has been put on hold just like everyone else. But these companies know that there are two options that they can do. They can either sit there and go, no one's going to buy our products, or they push forward knowing that their audience is out there ready to buy their products, whether it's their caps, whether it's their coats, whatever it might be. And we're talking here, guys, about household names, supercar, elite brands who have a lot of money behind them and are wanting to push out. As I said, they can either put themselves on hold or they carry on going. And this is what I want to get through to you. They're not spending any more money than I'm asking you to spend. Some of their ads are starting on £10, £20 a day to test certain markets out and things like that. Now I know that once things are working, they can turn their budgets up a lot more, but they don't have to. We've got many clients who have online stores, whether it's jewelry, whether it's baby products, who are spending £10, £15, £20 a day, yet they're getting back 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, £100 a day at this particular time. Those are the sort of return on investments that you'd be expecting to get around Christmas time for an average e-com site, and they're getting them now. They are doing this because they are taking advantage of the situation that we're in, and they are pushing forward to get their brands out there. I want you to think the same. You don't have to use our services. I'm quite happy for you to call us up and have a consultation call with us about how we believe this will be done, to fill you with some confidence. If you choose not to do any work with us, that's great. You might not gel with us, we might not gel with you, but we're happy to have that conversation. It's about helping other businesses out at this moment in time, and I'm wanting to make you aware of the opportunities we have that you can go out there and actually take your marketplace. These are the times, these are the recessions when companies build themselves. We've built our other company in a recession 10 years ago. It's still running now. It was in the recession when it was hard. All we did was plow the phone. We didn't have all the digital stuff we're doing now. We just had to put hard work and graft in, and we got through it. And it is that same time now. Are you going to be that company who sits there panicking and hoping for the best and hoping it's over, or are you going to be that company that pushes yourself forward through this time so that you can come out the other side being the winner? That's what I want you to think about. We're here to talk. If you want to know any more details, go to letsrunsocial.com, have a read through the website, see some testimonials, fill in the consultation form, and we can get on the call. I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you all on the next.